Now, this is the cable that comes in from the inside and hooks onto the transmission here. So this is your selector. When this here moves up and down, back and forth, this is going to change your parking gear, whether you're in park, reverse, drive. So I can literally just take this off and just move this from park to reverse and drive by hand. So a lot of times this piece right here that holds this onto here, a lot of times that dries out and comes off, and then this here would just be hanging loose, and that is what causes for you to be able to cycle through all of your gears without it working, or you being able to catch into drive, or reverse or move your vehicle. So make sure you check up here, and it's very simple. You can buy the new grommets and things like that from the auto parts store. They sell assorted packs, or you can also buy them from online.